busy alleys are called the Va Thai neighborhood, and this is called the Va Thai street. We're gonna film it in a minute. We'll give you a little bit of context before we do, but the border is right there. So that's the border to Zhuhai. You can actually see the sign that says Zhuhai. You can also see a clock tower, and there's actually some hotels, and the train station is right there as well. And all of the people are right there. So we're gonna go over there, film that a little bit, and then we're gonna come down and film our target street, which is right here. And there's all kinds of interesting stuff in this neighborhood. So so stay tuned for Va Thai. There's the name of it right there, Va Thai. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So Va Thai Street, this is what it's called. Hua Va Thai right there. And that's gonna be the one we're gonna walk down. Before we go down, we're just gonna, I just wanna share this because this is a different street name, but it's kind of interesting. I just want to put some context and everything before we go down. But the Va Thai is a whole little neighborhood, and then this whole one right here goes to this area called Toi San, and then there's a bunch of suitcases underneath this bridge, which is kind of interesting as well. It'll put a lot of stuff into context because it's so interesting. But all these tall buildings in here, all of these, is called Toi San, and it's kind of interesting in itself. And in this area, there's like tons of these suitcases, so people lock up these suitcases with padlocks, and they're kind of all the way through in here. So you can see them like all throughout this whole area. And then we're going to be walking into this neighborhood, but it's all kind of interesting as well. Yeah, and everybody will stare and look, so I'll get lots of attention in here for sure. I'm right by the border. I'm kind of surprised by the amount of people with small kids. You see a lot of strollers and such like that. Okay, so we're going to go down our target street in just a minute, give you more context with everything. So our target street is going to be right down in here, Va Thai. Lots of people will be doing this kind of stuff, like just kind of getting everything circulated. And that'll be our target right there, Hua Va Thai. Before we go down, check out all the people. So all those people over there, they're all going all the way down over there to the border. Tons and tons of people. It's just flowing with people. You see that flow? Let's get a little closer just to give the full context of it. And then you can see this is departures and arrivals. So people are just kind of flowing through in here. And most of them will be going down this main street down that way. If we go over there, it'll be crazy crowded. But we're gonna come down this way instead. This is less crowded, believe it or not. And in this area, it feels kind of like you're in China because we're on the China border. There's exchange shops, pharmacies. Mainland Chinese will usually buy a lot of stuff from the pharmacies in Macau. They'll get more quality stuff. Hello. And now we're gonna go down Va Thai. Yeah, I think this little neighborhood, Va Thai, there'll be like a lot of like you can see all of these like crates. You know, they'll bring in stuff by the bulk. You know, people are buying all their stuff. They'll bring it, pharmaceutical stuff, bags and bags of stuff everywhere. I guess this is like a luggage. I can pick up luggage, but there's also like all kinds of random stuff everywhere. A lot of people have suitcases. There's like trolleys. Yeah, tons and tons of stuff everywhere. These are like just like alcohol, Motai, Hennessy. they're breaking down cardboard. They can resell that cardboard. They'll probably bring it across the border and sell it. Or I don't know, maybe they sell it here. But I think they're from the border, so they'll come across, collect all this cardboard. And over here, this is kind of non-stop because you can get it from all these areas and just kind of break it down. There's like shrimp stuff, all kinds of random stuff. So interesting. Then this street, I was on it earlier, and there's a lot of like crates, and that's where like crowds and crowds of people are up there. And this street I see like all kinds of stuff as well, but our street just keeps going straight. So we are going to continue down this way. I think that some of the kids and stuff, like they get like baby formula and stuff. So there's our target street right there. Thai. And we came up from there, but there's a lot of people up there as well. We'll probably end up going up there later. At the end of this, we'll see what's going on up there. There's actually apartments in here too, so people actually live in these apartments right by the border as well. Look at all those wires all up and down. Lots of wires coming from all of this. I guess they're grounding it more as it comes down. Crates. This is another one of these Thai streets. I'm going to try to film each one separately as well. Let's continue down. Okay. Smoking is prohibited, so I guess they have these signs. I think there's probably a lot of smoking in this area. I noticed that anyways. If you go to certain restaurants where there's more of a mainland Chinese presence, people will, you know, kind of have a habit of smoking anywhere in the restaurants, or there's a lot of laws in Macau to not do that. So more of these same streets with all kinds of economic activity, like breaking things down. Yeah, there's a lot of commerce going on in here. Pretty interesting. Okay, so there's another one up that way, up to the main street. We're gonna go around to that in a moment. Look at these cardboard boxes. People just like maybe just buy up all these ashtrays and everything. Like the amount of stuff being sold right here is incredible. Okay, so this will come out to the end of our street. Let me just kind of come out this way. So this will be that main street where all the people are going to the border. This is our target street right there. And we're gonna just bring the camera up to the border just to kind of give you full context of everything. So yeah, pretty interesting. Got these long lines for the bus. I think it's oh yeah, this is Barrio Batai. So that's the neighborhood that we're in, and all these people are waiting for the buses. So wow, that's a long line for these buses. It's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna come up to the kind of the main street where people walk to the border at. You got green lights here, but people are honking the horns because there's people illegally in the street and different stuff going on. Okay, so this street right here should be a pedestrian street. And this is, I usually film and label this one, but I generally don't go into that one and film too much because it feels like there's a lot of questionable activity. But it's kind of interesting. And I do want to document everything because keeping everything in context, because things do change over time. This has been pretty consistently like this the whole. I've been living here since 2013, and it's been pretty consistently like this. And yeah, this goes all the way to the border. You see all the tons and tons of people all the way up. Okay. It's kind of interesting, so we'll just include it with our target street, but this is kind of what the border looks like. See all those people. But yeah, there's departures over there. So it's in this one.